Hello everyone, this is Salman Patan from Mac.0 channel. If you are really getting explanation to the videos, then like, subscribe and share the channel. So now let's move towards today's topic.
Today we will see problem on Simpson's 1/3 rule, which is the one of the rule of numerical integration for the solution. First of all, let us know about Simpson's 1/3 rule. Integration of f of x dx varies from x0 to x0 plus nh is equals to h by 3 in bracket y0 plus yn plus 4 times all the odd terms plus 2 times all the even terms. One important note is that while applying the given interval must be divided into an even number of equal sub-intervals. Okay, keep in mind we have to divide into an even number of equal sub-intervals since we find the area of two strips at a time. This is important condition while applying the Simpson's 1/3 rule. Now let us see one problem which is based on Simpson's 1/3 rule. So our question is the velocity of car running on a straight road at intervals of 2 minutes. Okay, we have interval of 2 minutes are given below. Find distance covered by car. Use Simpson's 1/3 rule. So it is clearly mentioned we have to use Simpson's 1/3 rule. Okay, and we have a table like time and velocity. So time is in minute and velocity is in kilometer per hour. So uh, it is obviously you have to do one the time is in hour because velocity is in kilometer per hour. If the velocity is in kilometer per minute, then it's okay. Then no need to convert the velocity or time in other format, or you can do convert velocity in kilometer per minute, so you can calculate the further. Okay, this is one important step that you have to follow. So the given time is in minutes, so let us convert it to hours and rewrite the data as follows. We have time and velocity. We know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, so 1 minute is equals to 1 by 60 hour. After converting this, we will get time as 0, 2 by 60 hour, 4 by 60 hour, 6 by 60, 8 by 60, 10 by 60, 12 by 60, and corresponding values of velocities. So here we can write t0 is equals to 0 up to t6 is equals to 12 by 60. Similarly, we can write v0 is equals to 0 up to v6 is equals to 0. Now we have to find the distance covered by car. So let us consider s be the distance covered by the car, and we know that the velocity is given by v is equals to ds by dt, that is change in distance or upon time, or change in displacement upon time. So it can be written as ds is equals to v dt. Now integrating both the sides with limit t0 equals to 0 to t6 equals to 12 by 60, as we know that the initial limit is at t is equals to 0 and final limit at 12 by 60. Okay, now we will write it in equation form, that is integration varies from 0 to 12 by 60 ds, which is also equals to integration varies from 0 to 12 by 60 v dt. So here integration t is varies from 0 to 12 by 60. ds is the distance covered by the car. Now, as we seen the Simpsons 1/3 rule in previous slide, we have to apply here. We know that we have to find this, that is integration of t0 varies from 0, integration of, here ds term is there, okay, integration of ds varies from 0 to 12 by 60, which is equals to integration of v dt varies from 0 to 12 by 60 dt equals to h by 3 into in bracket v0 plus v6, that is v0 plus v6, that is n is equals to 6 here, okay, plus 4 times odd terms plus 2 times even terms. And now we required value of h, so the h value can be obtained by taking the difference of 2 time interval, okay, so h is equals to t2 minus t1, which will give answer as a 2 by 60. After putting all the values in given equation, at the end we will get answer as 3.5555 kilometer. So this is our required solution. So the car will be cover 3.5555 kilometer distance. Thank you very much.